Hello guys, Mr. Dawson here. Did you remember the how to draw scratchy corner for beginners 1 and 2? Well, this is number 3. You're right. So let's get started. The time has come for me because I've drawn so well. So guys, remember, if this video is too fast for you, you can pause the video if you want to. Okay, let's start with scratch. First do here for Scratch's torso. Then we make this here. For his hands, make it like a 3 fingers here. Then you make that. Then finally, voila, Scratch's right arm. Scratch's tail feathers. For his torso, it should be like this. And his little chicken thing that I don't know. For his belt is kind of a little easy. Voila, what do you think? Perfecto belt. His feet should be like chicken. By the way guys, before I start telling you that why is this his name's Scratch. Well, according to chickens, his name was going to be Scratch because chickens scratch on a post thing. That's how they get their food from the ground. Yeah, thank you, my head. Then after you're done with that, Scratch's head is kind of a little difficult. His beak is kind of the hardest, so hold it, guys. And his eyes is kind of a little different. It's kind of like pie-shaped eyes, but only very, very different. By the way, guys, if you're wondering, I don't see Scratch and Gun in games or other. I see Scratch and Gun in some games and other things like Robotnik's Mean Bean Machine. It has Scratch and Gunner in it. Anyway, guys, so and voila, you made your Scratch. Well, no, almost. Hold it, guys. Voila, guys, you made your own Scratch. So, this is what Scratch only looks like. So I started to copy a picture like this. It's supposed to look like that. So guys, let's work on Grounder. So hold it. I'll get it. Hey, Mr. Dolphin, is this your stupid video again? Sonic, get away! I'm in this class right now. Oh, can I be on it? No, go, you little shrimp, or throw the camera on you. Okay? No, sorry about that, guys. I was having a difficult time with Sonic, so this is Grounder here. Grounder's kind of a little easy, so are you ready? So guys, start doing his eyebrows like this, and then his eyes like roundness. They're like little knob things, like, to go on cars. You've seen one of those in cartoons, did you? Now guys, if you're wondering what those little little light things are on grounder, that's because they're just reflections from the light. Like, imagine this. If you want to make something like metal stuff, then then make like that. Also, this is grounder's a little drill accessory stain. Now, if you're wondering, guys, why does Scratch Ground look angry? That's because they're supposed to look like bad guys, but a lot of people say that they're bad guys and work for Robotnik. But I think Sonic is not acting like a good hero like the Paw Patrol. Anyway, guys, this is what you do to ground here. Then his treads is kind of a little difficult. First you get there, then his treads are kind of like little eye things. You know what, guys? I think drawing is my favorite thing to do better than making videos. I mean, sure, guys, I'm not making fun of you and trying to make you sad. That's just my way. Anyway, guys, that is Grounder's the final thing for Grounder is his little clock thing. I don't know what it's for anyway. Post in the comments if you know what that's for. So, guys, remember, pause this video if you still keep doing. Alright, guys, voila. You made your second scratching grounder. Oh, hold it. Alright. Hold it, guys. I'll be right back. And voila, guys. You made your first scratching grounder. Well, kind of. There's still some more details to do, you know. So, guys, if you're wondering where those two things, I still have them. So the time has come. If you wanna check out the video, go to I can't think straight. Sorry. How to draw Scratch Grounder for beginners 1 and 2. Oh man. So guys, I like to end this video right now. We're not canceled, so I don't know what new video will be, but I like to say, point your finger up if you like this video, send it to your friends, subscribe to my channel. So more videos will be new video in any time, new video in any dolphin. Are you finally done with the video? Give me some chili dog. Let's go, you little shrimp. You know what?